Hi guys, welcome to our video.
So today, we are going to show you the gadget that can bring you to the virtual world.
What is it? Yes, it's a virtual reality Oculus Quest.
Hi guys! Firstly, I will explain to you about Gadget, virtual reality and Oculus Quest. Do you know what the definition of Gadget, virtual reality and Oculus Quest? Firstly, Gadget can be defined as a small machine or device which does something useful. For example, laptop, smartphone, and tablet. Second, virtual reality or VR is the use of computer technology to create a simulated environment. Lastly, Oculus Quest is one of the products produced by a company named Oculus, which use virtual reality technologies. Technology is the way we apply scientific knowledge for practical purpose. Now, I want to share with you guys about the history of virtual reality and Oculus Quest. Virtual reality technology built upon idea that date back to the 1800. Gerald Lerner, founder of VPL Research, began to develop the gear, including Google and Glove, needed to experience what he called virtual reality. Palmer Luckey is the founder of virtual reality Oculus Quest. Oculus is a device of Facebook Technology LLC, a subsidiary of Facebook. Virtual reality built upon date that date back to the 1800. In 1838, the first stereoscope was invented using twin mirror to project a single image. Oculus Quest is one of the products produced by a company named Oculus, which uses virtual reality technology. Founded by Palmer Luckey, Brandon Irby, Michael Antonov, and Nate Mitchell in July 2012. Next is the specification of Oculus Quest. Firstly, Oculus Quest using display panel OLED which display resolution 1440 x 1600 per eyes. This gadget using Qualcomm Snapdragon 838 processor and have 4 GB RAM. You can use this gadget for 2 or 3 hours depend on what you are using for because it uses lithium-ion battery. This gadget is provided with a 2-touch control and 6 degrees of freedom head and hand tracking. This weight of Oculus Quest is 571 grams, which is heavier compared to Oculus Rift.
Here are the key features of Oculus Quest. First of all, it's easy to set up. If you have it, you can set up anywhere you want, either in a small room or in a big space. You also can experience the live virtual version when you do some actions such as running or fighting. Next, it's also wireless. You don't need to connect to the PC because it just needs VR headset or a controller to functioning. If you want to know, Oculus Quest is the first all-in-one gaming system built for the virtual reality. The functionality of Oculus Quest can be used to connect communities, create 3D models, surgical simulation, military programs, flight simulator, driving simulators, games, physiological therapy. Besides that, it's really helped people to be confident to play games. The user can practice by using the equipment that provide on the VR. Lastly, the technology of Oculus Quest also reduces time and cost to help the new professional in the health field build the existing knowledge in the safe environment. using Oculus Quest are it's able to train danger skills among trainers in an organization such as emergency evacuation situation in a safe environment. Besides, Oculus Quest also allowed more connection in rural communities. For example, if your mother stay in the Malaysia while you at Korea, and you still can communicate to your mother like in a real situation.
In market prospect, the launch of commercial virtual reality headset is expected to accelerate the growth in the market. Technological advancement in VR is expected to generate plethora of VR solutions with diverse capabilities, which allow consumers to experience the utmost immersion. All through the power of VR, it has a potential to transform education, improve productivity, advance our social movement, and expand our understanding of people and cultures from all over the world. In conjunction with entertainment industry, virtual reality has recognized potential opportunities with rapid development in smart consumer electronic device. The internal segment in entertainment industry, including theatre, gaming, music, and location-based environment, they have started experiencing the benefits of its implementation. Next is impact of VR to the society. Stories have power to change us. Virtual reality is so realistic where digital photography are able to portray almost 100% likeness to actual appearance. So, people can communicate with their distant friends and family from all over the world, anywhere, anytime. Besides, people also can conduct a virtual business meeting with their members from all over the world. In addition, for people who want to go travel, they also can get a virtual tour travel before booking a plane ticket. Offers an opportunity of healing, allowing users to see through a lens that they can never experience. Last but not least, VR also could give impact to the economy by bringing users in a computer-generated 3D environment where special data such as data that produce a rendering of product design become more real and actionable. In healthcare system, they use VR to help train and prepare surgeons and doctors by showing image of operating theatre and realistic emergency scenario. According to Seeing is Believing report by PricewaterhouseCoopers, PwC state that VR could boost global economy by 2030. VR is not only useful in gaming, but the report state that it has a potential to transform industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, energy and training, and development.
In conclusion, this virtual reality is really interesting for everyone to use.
This is because virtual reality puts users in the experience.
Instead of looking screen in front of them, users are immersed and able to interact with 3D world.